Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to unhide songs on Spotify. Why would you want to know how to unhide songs on Spotify? Well, maybe it is your first time using Spotify and not sure how to unhide songs on Spotify. So today I am going to show you how to unhide songs on Spotify. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unhiding songs on Spotify is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will unhide songs on Spotify. First of all, open Spotify app in your mobile phone. Now I want to unhide songs from my playlist. So first click on library in the right bottom corner and then open that playlist. You have hide their songs. Now in this new screen I have hidden no need song from my playlist and now I want to unhide it. So first click on three dots menu and then click on unhide and that song has been unhidden from your playlist. Now you can play it. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unhide songs on Spotify, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.